'Cause baby, you are my favorite song. I'll put you on repeat all night. I know that I'll never move on.
Hi, babes! Welcome to Your Favorite Song! And for today's YMFS exclusive, we're gonna play Guess the Song! So we have two teams. We have Team Angel and Team Miguel. Para sa aking team, we have Marco, we have Winona, we have Andre, and we have Tyro!
We have Angel!
And we have Angel!
At sa team ko naman guys, we have Gio! We have Clifford! We have Vincent! We have Miguel! We have Heath! Yes sir! Let's go!
So ang unang magkaroon ng 10 points ay mananalo at ang matatalo naman ay magkakaroon ng consequence. Let's start!
For the first song.
Ads!
Ay! Ads! YouTube ads!
Teka lang!
Ang ba? Oh, ang bagal-bagal.
Ikaw yan?
Wow! Oh!
Parang anghel!
Oh!
6'7"?
Oh my days.
Oh my days! Oh my days! Bitter November.
Wannabe. Yes! By Spice Girls. Kanta.
Oh, sample, sample.
1, 2. Ayan, game. Tell me what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I'll tell you what I want. Wala na. Rolling in the deep. Rolling in the deep.
Don't underestimate the things that I would do. There's a fire starting in my heart.
Oh! Baby. Baby. Justin Bieber. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Mahal mo ako, alam mo yan. Isigaw mo, andyan ako. At may isa pang tingin sa iyong mata. Mahal ko, sinira mo ang puso ko. At sabi ko, sanggol, sanggol, sanggol. Oh, parang sanggol, sanggol, sanggol. Oh, parang sanggol, sanggol, sanggol. Oh, akala ko ikaw ay akin, akin.
Tama tayo, guys.
Copines. Savage Love.
Okay, sample!
Ay, wait.
Yo, Heath! Give some space para makita ang dance mo.
Stop.
Hey! 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 Oh! Hindi ko na alam. What the fruit? I was gonna say.
How do you guys know that? What is that?
Talaga, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alam mo?
Hinahanap-hanap kita.
Ang galing!
Hantayin ko. Adik sa'yo,
Ang galing!
awit sa akin.
Open dress ko na.
Nilang sawa na sa aking mga kwentong maraton. Tungkol sa'yo. Okay na?
Ganun talaga yung mga bida nagpapatalo sa una.
Uy!
Tapos natalo tayo hanggang dulo.
Bueno, go.
Alam mo? Alam daw niya.
Ano ka sinabi ko? When you see my love.
Sumasagot mo.
Wala, di niya alam.
What's the song?
You guys know this.
OG?
Celine Dion? Celine Dion to?
I can't tell you what it really is. Ah, sila ba?
Love the way you lie.
Eminem, bro.
Ay, hindi.
Just gotta stand there, watch me burn. That's alright. That's the way you are.
Hindi tayo pala matalo.
Nice one.
Ang huling El Bimbo. Kamukha mo si... Lee Victor. Maghahawak ang ating kamay na walang kamalay-malay na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig na tunay.
Yes!
Guys, patagalin.
Ay!
Polaroid love and hyphen.
Girls like me don't cry. Diba? Girls like me don't
Oh, I know Korean. I know. 세상의 멋대는 여지 차차를 뻗내는 전이 접해 또 뭐가 내 모르게 when you call my name 안녕하세요.
Guys, let's get them. Selling our bread.
What the? Bigay mo ito, Team Angel. 5, 4.
Hindi ko alam to eh. Low on the gun away.
Yan to. Baka na.
Back to you.
Ba't kanina yung
Tama. Uy, tanongin niyo ako. When I'm with you, everything feels right. Kanta tayo, Team Angel! You flow like a feather, but you float away from me.
3 points yun. Pero kumanta kami natin.
Ay, ay! Siyempre, amba! tuloy mo na. Tagal bakante, sus, umaasa na. Urong sulong, lumalaban, bumabawi. Puro ka amba, amba, ambagan-bagan mo. Okay na yan.
Congrats!
Alam niyo to? I know it. California Girls! Come back, come back. Enchanted? Come back, come back, come back, come back. Enchanted to meet you. Be in love with someone.
One more, guys.
Oh my gosh. Just the way.
When I see your face, just the way you are. 1, 2. Her eyes look like they're not shining. Her hair, sparkly without her trying. You're so beautiful, and I tell her every day. I know, she won't believe me. It's so sad to you don't see what I see. Every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. Hindi ko alam kung tayo talaga. Oh. Kalimutan ka? Correct! Multo!
My cup of rice. Hindi na Top 7 naman dyan.
6, 7! Solid din, bro.
Wala, dito yung singer and dancer.
More energy, more footwork. 80% energy, 80% energy. Hey. Oh, too much. Hey, oh.
Ang Pinoy.
Tara na!
Oy, hindi na pwede tayo managing.
Wake up call!
Miss you, kuya. Kaya natin to. Pag-asa ka ng mundo. Ang Pinoy. Kayang-kaya mo. Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo. Love you, kuya. Miss you, kuya. Ay!
One, two, three, four,
Tadana.
five.
Uy! Ang cute! Eraser? Ano yan? Oh, Miss Lime! Miss Lime!
Wow.
Ang cute! Sana all! Ang cute naman ang prize!
That's it, faves, for another YMFS exclusives.
For more contents, visit GMA Public Affairs social media accounts at TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.
Yes.
See you and YouTube, guys. See you. And you're my favorite song Instagram account. Kita kits. Bye bye.